สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everybody. Today I'm going to make chicken teriyaki and it is a homemade style sauce. I hope you guys like it. Ingredients: chicken thigh boneless and skinless 4 pieces, chicken broth powder 1 tablespoon, sesame oil 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon, all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon, Mirin sauce 3 tablespoons, soy sauce 3.5 tablespoons, cut green onion 1 bunch, sliced ginger root, Now we are going to make the sauce. First, put soy sauce in the bowl. Then we put mirin sauce. The next one is sugar. And the last one is chicken broth powder. Mix them very well. And then after that, we put it up. We have to go prepare the chicken. This is how we prepare the chicken. We put the all-purpose flour on our chicken and rub it on our chicken very well. It doesn't need to be too much. Make sure that the flour on everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, make sure the flour is everywhere. Yeah. Put them like that. And the next step is we are going to cook the chicken. So we want to make sure that our chicken be prepared before we cook it. It looks very good here. Yeah, have a little bit of skin, it's okay. And now we are going to cook the chicken. Use the medium-low temperature. Put the sesame oil into the pan and use the spatula. Make sure you spread the oil everywhere. Okay, that's very good. When it's hot, we put the chicken on the pan. Yeah. And we fry it with the medium-low temperature. Don't flip it too often. And then we add the green onion and ginger into the pan and fry it with our chicken to have the flavor and the scent of the herb. You can smell the green onion and the ginger root. Really good. Mixed with the a little bit smell of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use vegetable oil or olive oil. It's okay. Yeah. Then the temperature getting hotter and hotter. You can turn it down a little bit to the low temperature because you don't want to burn your chicken. It looks good. If you use a very high temperature, it will burn very fast and it won't cook. So be careful on that. Smells so good. The chicken looks juicy. Now when getting hotter and hotter and the chicken getting browner, moreover you can see that the ginger root and the green onion, they are getting burned, right? The next step will be taking them out. You don't want to have burning smell on your food. So you start getting it out. Yeah, all of them. Yeah. All of them. Yeah. Okay. Take them out. Okay, now the temperature is low and the chicken looks really good. Crispy outside a little bit. I want to cook a little bit more. If you see the burning, what is that? Green onion, make sure you take them out. It's very hard to use chopstick. Normally I will use my hand. I could pick it up. Due to COVID-19, we need to be very careful using our hands. Okay, very yummy. Okay. Then we just need to take it out after it's cooked. We don't want it too greasy, right? So we are going to take all the grease out from the pan. Really, looks really good. Okay, we get all the oil out from the pan. Now we use the low temperature and we put our chicken in there. Put the chicken back in the pan and then we're waiting temperature hot a little bit, and then we put the sauce that we already prepared in there, all of them. And make sure you mix the chicken with the sauce really well. Yeah. Ooh, looks so good. Now the pan getting hot. With the low temperature, you won't burn your sauce and your chicken, so it gives you time. we're gonna use a low temperature and make sure that our sauce not burn. Make it, yeah, you can see the sauce getting thicker and thicker, right? Make it and cook your chicken as needed. Yes, smell really good right now. And now you can see that the sauce absorbed in the chicken very well. I think it's about time to turn off the stove. Looks really good. Now it's time to cut it. I need a new knife. The chicken is soft and juicy with the sauce. Look really good. After you cut it, you will place it in the plate. Today we're gonna eat with steamed broccoli. You can eat it with rice though, or fried rice, whatever you like. Move the camera to the center a little bit. Thanks. Looks wonderful. Okay, now our food is done. What our menu today, Ben? What our menu today?
Eat it.
Chicken teriyaki. Gosh, Ben. Look, we show the audience. Ooh, look good. Now I'm gonna have Benjamin try it, okay? Go ahead and try. Oh, that's big piece. Oh, you don't need to eat the whole thing. How is it? Good. Good job, Ben. Okay, now let Mama try. Mama get small piece. It's good. It's not too salty, and it's not too sweet, right? We eat with what? Broccoli. It's very good. And children like it, right? You like it? Okay.
Eat this for breakfast today.
Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna say thank you. What we say thank you in Thai? Say ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ and bye bye